association between depression, anxiety and personality among rural adolescent boys and girls, a community-based cross-sectional study. This study looked at how anxiety and depression are related to personality traits in rural school children. Personality includes the lasting ways a person thinks, feels, and behaves. However, mental health problems like anxiety and depression can affect these traits, especially in growing adolescents. The research was done over a year, March 2024 to February 2025, in 20 rural schools in Kolar Taluk. A total of 430 students participated, with the majority in the 10th standard. Researchers used questionnaires to assess personality, anxiety, and depression levels. The findings showed that 28% of the students had moderate anxiety and around 18% had signs of borderline depression. Those with severe anxiety had high levels of traits like being overly anxious, attention-seeking, impulsive, suspicious, or emotionally unstable. Students with mild depression also showed similar traits, including emotional ups and downs, impulsiveness, and unusual thinking. The study suggests that personality traits are linked with mental health conditions in adolescents. Because of this, it is important to screen students regularly for anxiety, depression, and personality issues. Doing so in schools can help identify problems early and give children the support they need to grow up healthy and emotionally balanced. Introduction. Depression and anxiety are becoming more common among children and teenagers, especially in developing countries. Many factors, like family problems, bullying, poor school performance, or poverty, can affect a young person's mental health. In this study, researchers looked at how personality traits relate to symptoms of anxiety and depression among adolescents in rural schools in Kolar, Karnataka, India. While most past research has focused on cities or clinical settings, rural areas often lack mental health support and awareness. This makes it important to understand how personality influences mental health in these communities. The study used standard tools to measure anxiety and depression and explored how different personality traits might increase or reduce the risk of these issues. The goal is to help identify at-risk students early and support school-based mental health programs. This research fills a major gap by focusing on mental health and personality in underserved rural school populations. Conclusion. This study explored how personality traits are linked to anxiety and depression among rural adolescents in Kolar, Karnataka. While most mental health research focuses on urban areas, rural adolescents often lack access to mental health services and face unique challenges. The findings show that personality traits can influence the chances of developing anxiety and depression. This means understanding a student's personality could help identify those at risk earlier. The study highlights the importance of not only checking for depression and anxiety during school mental health screenings but also including personality traits and other psychological factors. Doing so would create a more complete and effective system for early support. By expanding school-based mental health programs in this way, educators and health workers can better support students who may be struggling, especially in rural areas where resources are limited and mental health needs are often overlooked. This approach can lead to better targeted interventions and healthier futures for adolescents. This important article is authored by the following scientists: Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.